Oh gosh, Blue. So there are several clutches of eggs. Usually a chicken on this one. I think she's getting a drink. And there's a few back here. Oh, there's a duck. Hey, duck, duck. Where are you? Anyway, that's her. So 2 nests in the garden shed. Good morning, Moki. Oh yes, let me get that door for you. Okay, Pebbles. Okay. Hi, Lenny. I believe. Oh. Yeah, is your sister in here on a nest? Oh. Yep, not on a nest, but in here. Oh, gosh. You guys, okay. This girl has been sitting for a while now. How many eggs do you have, ma'am? Excuse me. Just a few. How'd you get a duck egg up here? Huh? How did you get a duck egg up here? Oh, they're so loud. There are 3 or 4 nests under here. Whoa. Hi, Randy. Let's see, so looks like Millie's on a nest. That one's on a nest. That one's on a nest. I don't know what the one in the corner is. She's just trying to share. Or if she has a nest too. I do not know. Millie. Be alright if Millie would hatch out a couple ducklings. We could use a couple more ducks. But hopefully they won't hatch out any more goslings. We do not need more geese. Hi. Okay, so... Oh, and there's at least 1 egg, I guess, back in the corner there. Hello. Hello, ma'am. Good morning. You need to come here? No. Anyway, just a little nest update. I don't know. We really don't keep a lot of track. If they want to sit on the nest, that's fine. If all the eggs under them go bad, that's also fine. Huh. You'll probably hatch some out. We think this is Mama from last year. Yeah. And yeah, good Mama you were. Yeah. You're good Mama. You're good Mama. And we know Millie's a good Mama. When she gets the chance. Are they being jerks, huh, Millie? Are they? Here, Millie. Look what Mama brought for you. Millie. You have some lettuce. Uh-huh. Have some lettuce. You like lettuce. Why are you not eating it? That one's like, I'll eat it. Here you go. Millie. Lettuce. Lettuce, Millie. Eat it. What the heck? Throw this chunk out for the chickens. Well, you're not a chicken. You're a cobra chicken. Cobra chickens. Oh, stop it. That chicken's a little big. I'll take it. Are you telling your girls where there's food, huh? Jeez. Millie, lettuce. Really? Really, Millie? So the geese have stolen the duck bedroom and laid all their eggs under there. I don't know if we'll have any hatch out from there or not. I just don't know. Turn the nightlight off. There we go. And then we've got some bunnies in here. Not in the floor where they've dug all their tunnels. But yeah, we've got a black one. There, a black one and a gray one. Oh, two black ones? Oh, there's two black ones in there. I don't keep track. Two black ones in there and the other black one there. Oh geez, words. Okay, they're all in there. So I can say two black ones and a gray one in there. To give to the neighbor kid. One of the neighbor kids wants some bunnies. And you know, we've got a couple. 180, I don't know. So many. What they say about bunnies is so true. Alright, let me get that. Morning, ma'am. Anyway, so lots of nests. Lots of bunnies. Lots of shenanigans. Not right, Randy? Yeah. Yes, you're a handsome boy, Randy. Yes, you are. Alright. Well, I hope everybody is going to have a good day today. And happy Memorial Day weekend. Anyway. Oh, goodness. Goodbye. Have a great day.